Everybody is looking for a place where faith blossoms and souls find solace. Join us as we explore the top 5 religious havens of Vrindavan, where the divine embrace awaits. Our first stop is the Banke temple, the abode of love itself, where Krishna resides as Banke. The air hums with devotion, and the aroma of sandalwood incense fills the temple. Legend has it that the deity was revealed to Swami Haridas, a renowned musician and devotee of Krishna. The black marble idol, adorned with jewels and silks, radiates a love so pure it tugs at your soul. The deity's eyes are particularly captivating, holding the universe's wisdom and a playful twinkle. The temple's intricate carvings tell tales from Krishna's life, his playful antics, and his profound teachings. A visit to the Banke temple is an experience that stays with you, a reminder of the power of love and devotion. Our next stop is the Prem Mandir, a temple bathed in ethereal white, standing as a beacon of love and devotion. The pristine white Italian marble, sculpted into intricate designs, glows with an otherworldly light. The temple complex, sprawling across 54 acres, is a symphony of craftsmanship and devotion. The main temple, dedicated to Radha Krishna, is a sight to behold with intricate carvings depicting their eternal love story. As dusk descends, the temple comes alive with a kaleidoscope of lights, transforming it into a fairy tale scene. The air is filled with the sweet scent of roses and the gentle melodies of devotional songs. Life-size dioramas depict Krishna's Leelas, transporting you straight into his world. Prem Mandir is not just a temple, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of devotion. Our journey now takes us to the iskcon Vrindavan temple, a beacon of spirituality and devotion. The temple complex, a blend of modern architecture and traditional aesthetics, is a testament to the dedication of the devotees. The main temple, dedicated to Radha Krishna, radiates a joy that is both divine and infectious. The temple halls resonate with the energy of hundreds of devotees chanting in unison. Iskcon Vrindavan is a vibrant hub of spirituality, education, and cultural exchange. The temple complex houses a library, a guest house for pilgrims, and a goshala where cows are revered and cared for. Witness the daily aarti ceremony, where devotees offer lamps and incense to the deities. The tranquil gardens within the complex create an oasis of peace, a sanctuary for reflection. Iskcon Vrindavan is a testament to the power of faith to unite, inspire, and transform. Our pilgrimage leads us to the Radha Raman temple, a sanctuary of serenity and devotion. The temple, steeped in history and legend, offers a glimpse into Vrindavan's spiritual legacy. The exquisitely crafted deity of Radha Raman, a self-manifested form of Krishna, resides at the heart of the temple. Legend has it that Gopal Bhatt Goswami, yearning for a glimpse of Radha Krishna, performed intense austerities for 12 years. The deity of Radha Raman is unique, believed to embody both Radha and Krishna. The temple is a masterpiece of Mughal and Hindu architectural styles, adorned with intricate carvings. The atmosphere is one of quiet surrender and deep connection with the divine. The Radha Raman temple is a reminder that true devotion lies in the quiet whispers of the heart. It's a place where you can shed the burdens of the world and bask in the divine presence. Our final destination is Vrindavan, a sacred grove believed to be the place where Radha Krishna performed their divine Ras Leela. The atmosphere is charged with a sense of the sacred, a feeling that you've stepped into a realm beyond the ordinary. The trees, their branches intertwined, are believed to be the gopis who danced with Krishna. Legend has it that Krishna returns to Vrindavan every night to perform the Ras Leela. The trees seem frozen in a perpetual dance, their limbs swaying to an unseen melody. At the heart of Vrindavan lies the Rang Mahal, where Krishna adorned Radha with jewels and flowers. The temple priests perform an elaborate aarti ceremony every evening. Vrindavan is a place where time seems to stand still, a sanctuary for connecting with your inner self. It's a journey into the heart of mystery and devotion, where the divine is present in every leaf and whisper of the wind. As we conclude our journey, Let the serenity of Vrindavan linger in your soul, a reminder of the divine echoes within your heart.